Hi guys, let's solve this question of trigonometric ratios. The formula that we already discussed. This is cos and we need to find out that in the acute angle is n. So this is the location of the acute angle O, and this acute angle n, I should decide the what is opposite in adjacent. So side which is opposite to this angle is called opposite. So this side is the opposite right now, and side which is adjacent to that side is called adjacent. So this is my adjacent. Inside which is opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse. We mark our opposite adjacent and hypotenuse. The formula for cos is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Correct? So adjacent in this one is 9. So I write 9, hypotenuse is 50. So I write 50. In just simplify, which gives us 3 over 5 as the answer. Sin n, the formula for sin n is opposite over hypotenuse. Correct? So opposite is right now 12 and hypotenuse is 50. Just simplify, that gives us 4 over 5. Tan n is what? Opposite over adjacent. Correct? So opposite is was 12. So as I call adjacent is now, so knowing that simplify with this as 4 over 3. Okay. Sin P we gave it. The question number 4 is sin P. That was right now your acute terminal is not N. It's P. So your opposite and adjacent is changed now. So this is acute terminal P now. So side which is adjacent to that is called adjacent. So this is adjacent now. And the side which is opposite to that is called opposite. This is your opposite right now. And the side which is opposite to now that is hypotenuse. So sin P, we need to use the same formula which is opposite over hypotenuse, correct? So opposite is right now, polio is 9 and hypotenuse is 50, which gives you 3 over 5. Sin T is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent is what? 1250, right? So 12 and hypotenuse is 40, which gives you 4 over 5. 10 T is what? Opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Opposite is what? 9. So I write 9. And adjacent was 12. So that's give you 3 over 4. Always remember that the placement of your acute angle is decide which side is opposite and which side is adjacent. Right? And you can use the same thing in next question also, which says in the right